Okay, so welcome all. Welcome to Financial Freedom. We are on session, what happened? Session 9 out of 12. So already the recordings are there on YouTube up till session 7 and some other sessions. So welcome to session 9. Today we are going to uh, exchange our views on RSI swing trading. Now, what we have to do is we have to use RSI of value 2, and then we will be trading it. The trade will be of maximum 5 duration. Within 5 days, either we'll be in profit or more or less will be out of the trade without any profit or loss. So the loss is less, it's more of profit or no profit no loss. So this strategy is such, so you have to monitor it closely for 5 days, because this technique, this trading strategy will last only for 5 days. So the day you take the trade and when you exit. So let's begin. Okay, so first thing first, just hold on, I'll just do some settings to my screen, and so that I'm able to. Okay, first thing, what we have to do is we have to put the indicator on the screen. So we will put RSI. This is relative strength index. We will select this relative strength index here. Step number 2, we will go here on the bottom left. My mouse is there. Here there is a settings button. This some shape is there. If I keep my mouse on that, it is coming as settings. I'll press the settings. Inputs. In RSI inputs, you have to go to inputs, change the RSI inputs to 2, then go to style, remove moving average, and say, and all this background and everything you can remove. We want, and then we say okay. So what we have done is we have changed the RSI setting from default 14 to 2. Everyone okay? Can I move ahead from here? Can I have yes? If you're okay, everyone is clear what I did with the RSI. If someone joined just now, he wants to me to repeat, I will repeat, but type yes. So at least I know 38 people are good with whatever I told. Please repeat. Okay. Okay. What we are going to do is just pay attention. Go to indicators. I pressed on indicators, then typed RSI. We have this relative strength index. I selected this RSI. Then in RSI, on the left hand side corner, you can see my mouse moving. RSI is there. Go to settings, go to inputs, change RSI length to 2. Then go to style, remove this moving average and all this background color and everything. These 3 things we removed, not needed for us. So inputs, we have made it 2, style as style only for this. We say okay. So RSI is now for 2 days. Default RSI is for 14 days. Now our RSI is for 2 days. Where we are interested when the RSI goes below 1. So 2-day RSI goes below 1, then we are interested. Chart link I have shared earlier also. This is a very good software available for filtration of our criteria. What I have done is I have created a simple code here. I have mentioned 1 day RSI 2 is less than 1, that is the setting, and RSI 2 after being 1, it has gone above 5. Okay, and the best part of chartling is it will give you some back testing results. So these are the back testing results. I'll just take some examples of 26 December, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so this criteria, this RSI 2 going below value 1 occurred for this many stocks on 26th of December. I'll show you one by one. So let's take first one is Chambal fertilizer. So I'll go and type Chambal fertilizer. Okay, so we have NSC. Okay, so here is Chambal fertilizer, and then we go to 26th of December. Okay, now this is zero. The RSI setting is different. Use trading view, it's free. Free is available. Trading view, you can open a free account, so need not be dependent on Zerodha. Okay, now let's pay attention here. Okay, now in Chambal fertilizer, what has happened is, as you can see, check the RSI value here. Okay, so how many of you can see the RSI value is 0.81 on 23rd December, correct? Can you see? This is here. Here is where you can see the RSI value, where my mouse is moving right now, below on the top. So if I keep my mouse on the 23rd December candle, you can see the RSI value is 0.81, correct? So the RSI value, RSI 2 value has gone below 1. The value itself has gone below 1. Here is where we get ready for our trade. Next day, the RSI, whenever it goes below 1, next day RSI has to go above 5 at least. Here the RSI went above 50 straight away. Fine, good. We want it to go above 5. It should be below 1. Next day it should go above 5. This is when our trading starts. So you maybe next day 3:30 you can check whether it has gone above 5 or not. If it has gone 5 at 3:30, near the closing price, we buy. Okay, so let's say if I have bought on this day 26th of December, it has gone above 5, so I have bought here. And where is my stop loss? My stop loss is below the low of this green candle. Okay, so this is my stop loss, means I will buy at 3:30, 3:25, 3:29. I'll buy at this price because the RSI would have gone above 5, and my stop loss is the low of this. So I am already in trade. Okay, now how much is 288 minus 274? 288 minus 274 is 14. Okay, so add 14 to 288, how much it will be? 288 plus 14, it is 302. Okay, so let's mark our at 302, 3, let's say 302. Okay, so this is our target number 1. Add 14 to 302, it is 316. Okay, 316. So 316 is our target. What we will do is, now, like I told last week also, keep the risk consistent for all your trades. Keep your risk consistent. Now let's say I'll open a Google Sheet. Okay, just hold on. Last. Okay, pay attention to this. This is very important. Now, buy price and sell price. Okay. I'll expand this to 200% so that it's clearly visible. Okay. Now buy price is 288 and 274, let's say. So buy price is 288 and sell price is 274. In case if the share after entry it falls down and hits my stop loss, so I have to exit. If it comes down, I have to exit all my conditions. Let's say if I'm buying only one share, so if I'm entering today at this price, tomorrow it falls and hits my stop loss, I have to exit everything as per rule. If I buy only one share, the loss per share will be equal to 288 minus 274. So if I buy only one share, then I will have a loss of 14 rupees. Correct? Everyone agrees with me? Everyone clear so far? Yes? Great. If I am ready for taking risk of, let's say, 5,000 rupees, risk per trade is 5,000 rupees. Okay, I'm taking a risk of 5,000 rupees only for a trade. So if I buy a share, it hits stop loss, I am ready to lose only 5,000 rupees, no more than that in this trade. So how many number of shares will I buy? So I will be buying 5,000 divided by 14. So I'll be buying is equal to 5,000 divided by 14. Roughly 357 number of shares I'll be buying. This is how you should be doing the calculation, number of shares to buy. Okay, this is the total number of shares you should be buying, so that if you lose money, you will lose only 50,000 rupees. Okay, so sorry, 5,000 rupees. So 5,000 rupees you are ready to lose in case it hits stop loss, because you are in trading. You should be ready for the losses also, but we have to limit the raw losses. This is the whole crux of winning in stock market. If you don't limit your losses, you will never be able to earn consistently. So you should be ready with the losses. You should know how much you are ready to lose the money. You have to calculate this way. So my entry is 288, sell price, exit price, exit price is 274. I'm ready to take 14 rupees loss per share. Risk per trade, I'm taking to risk 5,000 rupees. I'm okay losing 5,000. So for 5,000 divided by 14, it will come 357 shares. Everyone okay? Everyone got this calculation? Yes? Great. You have to follow this. This is the magic of being in stock market. This you have to use this consistently. Okay, now we have entered here, we have decided our exit, we have decided how much shares, so we are going to buy 367. My target one is here. So if you are a beginner, you can try, if you can exit at target one. So let's say if I enter into trade and then it goes second day, it is reaching my target, I can exit all my positions at all 357 shares. I will exit in 2 days here and come out. So how much money I will earn in target one? When it is reaching target one, how much money I will earn? 5,000 rupees, correct? When I was ready to lose for 14 rupees, I was ready to lose 5,000 rupees. So if it goes up by 14 rupees, I'll be able to gain 5,000 rupees. So this is how 1:1 risk reward works. You can as well go for 1:2. Sometimes it goes to 1:2, sometimes it will go for 1:1. You will have to, like, basis your experience, you will have to you can do a lot of jugglery. You can exit with 1:1. You can exit 50% position at profit one, remaining 50% at level 2. Sometimes it will go to level 2. So it is how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say one more day, 5. Okay, so it just reached the level 2. So in case You are ready to risk 5,000 rupees. You bought 357 shares. It has reached 314. You exit there. You are able to earn 10,000. So you risked 5,000 rupees. You are able to have a reward of 10,000 rupees per se. This is how it will work. Everyone okay? So far, so good? Clear? Trading strategy clear? Yes? Okay, great. So let's take 5 examples quickly. So we'll take 5 examples one after the another. Second example is Exide Industries. Okay, so Exide Industries. Okay, so we have to go to 26th, sorry, 23rd December it went. कहाँ गया? 23rd December year. हाँ. Okay, so this is one of the another example. Okay, now here, just hold on. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, now here, this is 23rd December. As you can see here on the RSI on 23rd December, the price went below 1. RSI 2 value went below 1. So I'll just take you to replay mode. After this, I'll not do replay. Just for 1 or 2 examples, I'll do replay. Okay. So here the RSI is below 1. We get ready. Next day, 3:30, we check, or we can put alert. RSI has gone above 5. From below 1 to above 5, it has gone to the next day. I'll make it darker if you want. Okay. So RSI, it was here, it was less than 1. Next day it went 5. Yes, very good, fantastic. I'll hide the volumes for now. So we enter at this closing here. We take a trade. Here we take a trade. This is our stop loss and exit. Let me see the prices. 180, 174. So let's put 180 and 174. So loss per share is now 6 rupees. Okay. Now my loss per share is 6 rupees. I have decided I'll take the risk per trade, that is 5,000 rupees. So 5,000 divided by 14. Now I will take 833 shares for keeping my 5,000. See, dynamically, it gives how many number of shares you have to buy. People usually will buy, I'll buy for 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 rupees ke liye, I'll buy a share. No, don't do that. That way, your experience will not be consistent. If you want a consistent returns and consistent experience, you should be doing it this way. Okay. Piyush, I'll repeat it again. Okay. Third example, I'll repeat it again. So just pay attention for that time. I'll repeat every entire process that time. So you have 833. Now it is 6, no? You have 6 here. 5,000 divided by 6. Oh, sorry. Below is the automated formula. Okay. So this is a formula automated. Okay. I'll automate this also. Just hold on. How to do it? Okay, leave it. I'll type 1, 2, 3, 5,000 divided by 6. Okay, forget automation. Okay, so 5,000 divided, so 833. So many people decide I'll take a trade per trade for 20,000 rupees, 30,000. Don't do that. decide your trade value based on basis your risk value. If risk is 6 rupees, risk per trade is 5,000 rupees, you take 833 shares, whatever the cost may be. If you are not able to achieve that cost, then reduce your risk, but keep your risk constant for at least 2 to 3 months before you increase the amount of risk. So let's go ahead. Now, after we have taken the trade, next day, what happens is, okay, it has not gone up, it has not hit our stop loss. Day 1 has passed. Day 2, okay, it has come here. Our stop loss is still here. Our entry is here. Stop loss is not hit. Day 3, stop loss is not hit. Day 4, it has gone back. Day 5. Okay. Now, as I said, this trade should not be taken more than 5 or 6 days. If within 2 to 3 days, the trade has not gone up, as we can see in this example, the trade was hovering here only for 3 days. On 5th day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you exit at the entry price itself, so that you are able to come out of this trade at no profit, no loss. Because if it has not triggered within 4 to 5 days, if it has not touched our target and it is hovering somewhere in our entry level, it is most likely it will not go. So as soon as 4th or 5th day it comes to our, even you can exit on 4th day, even if it is coming at our entry price, exit with a no profit, no loss, or maybe 1 or 2 rupees higher, so that you at least take out your brokerage and come out with no profit and no loss. Everyone okay with that? Is that clear? Yes. Okay. So either we take profit or we try to come out at no profit and no loss, but sometimes we'll have losses also. So it's a part and parcel of the game. So for people who have joined late and who are okay, so let's take third example. Third example is SBIN. Now everyone who joined. Okay, so in RSI, we have to put a query. RSI 2 is less than number 1. RSI next day, RSI has to be greater than 5. Okay, RSI has to be 2. RSI 2, not RSI 14. Okay, let's take the third one, SBIN. Okay, let's go to 23rd of December. Here is the 23rd of December. This was our candle. Okay, someone was asking me how to check for this thing. Okay, Piyush, right? Piyush, who asked? Someone asked, right? Piyush, okay. Piyush, pay attention. This is the RSI 2. Here is the RSI, where my mouse is moving is the RSI value. Keep the mouse on the current candle. You can see the RSI value as 0.7, right? 0.7 is the RSI value. I'm keeping my mouse on the candle. You can see the RSI value as 0.7, which is less than 1. Okay, if it is less than 1, we get ready. We are waiting for it to go up. Next day, okay, next day it goes up, RSI value goes above. So RSI value has to go above 5. Here it has gone. This is our entry. Okay, I'll not take you through the risk management calculation that we already know now. We have gone through it 2 times. So this is my entry, this is my stop loss. And what is my target? Let me quickly just calculate by this tool. Okay, this is, I have difference is 26 rupees. So this is my target. Okay, so this is my target 1. So I will exit if it goes here. Okay, so 5 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has not reached target. Better exit with some profit 5 days and come out. Everyone okay? 5 days it has not reached. निकल आओ, पैसा ले लो अपनी जेब में, खुशी मनाओ, पार्टी करो, पिज्जा खाओ. Okay, let's take another example quickly. Okay, now SAIL, SAIL. Steel Authority of India. Okay, we have 23rd. Yeah. This is 23rd December. Again. Anil, if you want to take it in falling market, take it above 99. Okay. This will applicable on falling market also. So this is again, quickly we'll go through it. The RSI, if I'm keeping mouse, RSI is below 1. Then we have next day, RSI has to go above 5. It has gone. This is my buy price. This is my stop loss below the low. Okay, this is my target. Okay, this is my target. And I did all the risk calculation. You have to do risk management, everything, blah, blah, blah. Take the trade. And next day itself, it has gone. This has gone most likely 3, 4, 5. So in 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it has gone 1:2. Some trades will go 1:2. Some trades will go 1:1. What you have to do, at least take some profit at 1:1 and keep some profit for 1:2. But 5 days, you come out. Okay. So, and if it is not going up 5 days, come at no profit, no loss. Don't hesitate to come at no profit, no loss. Don't say, last time my 6th day it went up. 5 days, if it is happening, it is happening. Otherwise, it will not happen. It will be very long drawn battle. So come out at no profit, no loss. Okay. So great. I hope, how many of you learned something new today? Can I have yes if you have learned something new? Okay, so filter on chart link. This is the filter on chart link. I had created this on chart link. What I'll do is, I think I can, I don't know whether I can, how to share the link. Okay, yeah, Bank, you can unmute yourself and ask the question. I'll allow you to unmute yourself. Okay, Mayank, go ahead, please.
Okay, sir. Yeah, sir, just one question. This the date which we are seeing is 12th of, in December. So basically it means that whatever we are seeing in charting recently did not happen. So RSI less than 1.
See, if we see here, today it has given the signal for Bata India. Okay, so this is Bata India.
Okay. Okay. So in that date, it happened a lot. So that's why you
it happened 0 yesterday. And because I have to show you multiple examples. So that day there were a lot of examples. So I kept on giving like that.
Got it.
And even you can check on this thing. A lot of examples happened on 30th of Jan also. So since I was having this many examples, so I thought, why not show for that day? That was the only reason. You can check for Bata India. Let's say today is Bata India. This has happened. If you are interested, you can see what happens. Like, let's assume theoretical that, okay, we have taken the trade, and you can observe what happens in next 4 to 5 days.
Okay, sir. So just one more thing. Does this charting also give alert about these things?
Yes, they have a paid version. They have, I think, some 10,000 rupees yearly subscription. So it gives you alert on the paid subscription. It will send you SMS as soon as it happens.
Or otherwise, we have to look on daily basis. We can see that.
What you can do is, if you are for a few days, you can try it out looking at 320. Let's see, we have this filter. You can save the scan. And you can see the scan, it will run, and then you can see it. Only at 330, 325, you can see if your condition is being met, you can take the trade.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, anyone else? Any other question? This is not RSI 1. This is RSI 2. RSI 14 is the default setting. This we have changed to RSI 2. It will, and this is the filter which we have put on charting. So this is the filter you can put. I don't know how to share this. Any ideas how to share this filtration? Or you can try it out if someone is not able
to. Sir,
you
can go to your scans and share that code only. Go to scan under dashboard. Yeah.
Okay.
You see, you have a lot of, and then share is there, na?
Okay, this one, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, share. Okay.
Copy that link. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so this is the link for RSI. Now what has happened?
We can see now.
You can see it. Okay, so you can bring it in your. You can open account and you can take it there. I don't know what has happened. So let me refresh.
Right now it is only showing Bata. Correct.
Bata is there today for today because market is going down right now.
Correct. Correct.
So that's why. It will come. Sometimes it will give 10, 15, sometimes because I have set it on the futures. This thing you can create your own watch list and then filter it out that way. See, there are 4,000 stocks. You don't go and filter out. I have just put the future segment here.
No, that is only easy, sir.
Out of 200 only, it is easy. Yeah. Okay, so great. Any other questions? Thanks, Bala. Thanks for guiding me here.
I have nothing, sir.
Okay, no more questions. Great. I hope everyone had a great time, learned something new for trading. See you all in the next session. Next session, I am going to share with you two shares, only two shares, which I feel have a strong potential of becoming 10 times in 10 years. So what are my reasons for thinking so? I'll be sharing with you all in the next session. Great. Thanks for joining today. I'll be uploading the recording. See you all in next week, Wednesday. Thank you.
Thank you.